So again, I want to ask you, who decides the scope? Do you need an external person to ask you, or see internally? The reason I'm asking you this question of improvisation is because there are no limits to how much you can improvise.
Yeah, yeah,
So you
yeah.
need to have a very strong sense of uh, who you are, what you are before that. So, most of the people who are watching this content somewhere might not be as seasoned, as as mature as you to kind of figure this out. So,
I think it's a naturally evolving process.
yeah,
It doesn't kind of come in one go or something.
yeah,
So I think the work itself teaches you if you are observing, if you are honestly observing.
true,
That also very important
true,
in the process. So the judgment, it's not judging. We ourselves judge in a way,
yeah,
but if we switch off that that area, or we switch off there,
yeah,
then the problem arises. You don't ask this question at all.
true,
Generally, these questions help you to your conditioning, to break your conditioning.
true. What is the fourth step that you use?
So the first step is have you completed this,
That's a tough one,
or
because or have
have
you
we completed this work?
Picasso
Like
said
generally,
Picasso said that works are. I don't know if Picasso said it or who said it, but they say that Picasso said that you don't finish a work, you abandon it.
yeah, these are all even about, if that is the concept, you complete that concept. You know what I mean? So if even if you want to show it half baked,
Yeah,
if that is your deliberate intention,
yeah,
then you show that and complete that.
yeah,
Don't get into kind of confused state of
yeah,
work. So
yeah,
many a time what happens, like in I have seen many Indian exhibitions, what happens, we have some little more space, let me have 3 more works or 4 more works, and there's so many works. Why? Because it shows that showing too many works shows you are not confident enough.
yeah. Maybe. Are you
Even
sure?
in a whole room, show one single work and you think it's powerful and good enough,
Yeah,
it's good enough. So
yeah,
this kind of clarity, or it's not a fashion. You have to convince yourself. Once you are clear about yourself, then it's very easy to kind of explain it to others. Plus, it is there. It's not that confused, or you don't have to back up with several works, or you don't have to this confusion mode
yeah,
has to go away from your head.
yeah.
For that, you have to do these exercises.
Beautiful, beautiful. I really like this. Let's